here probing apart on a Haas. This is a new controller, so it's a little bit different than like say an older one, but it's still pretty much the same. Go to edit, up to the VPS, and then we'll pick from one of these options what we want. So we will do the web y-axis first. But first we have to jog it over in place. Then back into the edit. G54 is our offset. Y is 2.625. And then Z is how far we want it to go down. So we'll go about a half an inch. So next we will find the center of the X on this part. So we'll jog it about to the middle. Back to edit. Go to web X-axis. G54. Part is 4 inches wide, and then we'll go down about a half inch again. And then lastly, we'll find our Z offset. Back to edit, single surface, G54, minus about 1/4 of an inch. Now we're done setting our work offset that we've determined